Another aspect of DataPrime that you need to become comfortable with is the metadata. So up until now, we've kind of manipulated just the data that's in the document, but actually, which would be accessed by $D, right? And that will get you, like, for example, filter $D. That gives you all the fields in the document. But there's also $M. $M contains some of the metadata. And this is really important because this gives you access to the timestamp field. And I'll just give you an example of why this is cool. So let's say, for example, I have a timestamp here. I don't want to filter it. Let's do a count by, for example. We've already looked at count by. This will count the number of different values. If I count by each individual timestamp, it won't be particularly useful. But you can do operations on a timestamp. For example, I can do this, for example. So this will turn this timestamp into 1 hour buckets, which is really, really cool. So when I run this now, I'm breaking down the last 24 hours into 1 hour buckets with only a few lines. Look at that. So manipulating the metadata is really, really important, especially for this kind of use case where you want to see activity over a given period of time and you want to group things into buckets. Remember, timestamps can be accurate down to the nanosecond, so it's very, very difficult to aggregate based on that because you'll see different things happening at different nanoseconds. You'll only see logs that arrived at the exact same time. But by using this date time manipulation, you can actually divide by an hour, you can divide by a minute, you can divide by a second if you really wanted to. And this will give you a really powerful way of clustering and grouping together your data. So you can see here now we're grouping by minute. So you end up with quite a few more rows, but really, really quite nice actually. So that's just a quick insight into how to manipulate the metadata object and also some of the nice date time manipulation that's possible in DataPrime.